Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and I'm Muskaan Choudhary, a fashion model and a fashion blogger. So today I'm going to share with you 5 must-have minimalistic jewelry pieces for a chic and timeless look. Fiat GIVA. So let's get started. And if you are new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you can get the notification whenever I post a video.
If you're someone who loves minimal everyday jewelry, then GIVA is honestly one of the best brands I've come across. These pieces are perfect for daily wear, work, brunches or even special occasion. They look so expensive because of their premium finish, but they are actually very budget friendly. So first is this rose gold pendant. This once a personal favorite, the rose gold finish and the heart detail make it so soft, romantic and wearable. It looks amazing with plain tops, shirts and even Indian suits. For my married girls or anyone who loves modern ethnic jewelry, this one's for you. The GIVA Mangal Sutra is lightweight, minimal and wearable daily. It goes well with Indian outfits and looks so classy when styled with a plain kurta or sari. Traditional feel with a modern design. Perfect combo. Now these two pieces are from the same collection and together they make the perfect minimalistic necklace set. The drop earrings are simple and classy, just enough sparkle for a clean look. And the Anushka ring is one of my top favorites, soft, elegant and so wearable. Now for the final must-have, classic stud earrings. I feel like every girl needs a pair of studs that can go with literally any outfit. They are perfect for office, college, travel, even gifting. And a quick tip, these also make great first jewelry gifts. And what I love about the GIVA jewelry, they don't fade easily. I've personally been using GIVA jewelry for all 4 years now, and even if you ever face issues like color fading or stone, they will fix it for you. And if you want to see how I clean my jewelry at home, then let me know in the comment section.
This is all about today's video. I hope you liked the video and you can let me know in the comment section which jewelry piece you like the most. And for all the product detail, you can check the description. And you can also follow me on Instagram for all the trending reels. And you can also let me know what kind of video you want to see on my channel. And I'm Muskaan Choudhary signing off for today and I'll see you very soon in the next video. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.